Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Nubank block my credit card. A block card is usually a security measure, not a punishment. Nubank may block your card for the reason like a suspicious or unusual purchase, many failed payment attempts, using the card in a few or a new country, late or missing payment, security protection against fraud. For that, open the Nubank app on your phone. Once you are in the home screen, you will usually see a message saying your credit card is blocked. Tap the message, go to the credit card section. Nubank often explain why the card was blocked and what you need to do next. If the block is for security reason, Nubank may ask you to confirm the recent transaction, approve the one that's are you. Sometimes Nubank needs you to confirm your identity, update information, send a photo of your ID. If your card stays blocked, go to help or chat inside the app. Tell them clearly, my Nubank credit card is blocked and I need helping to unblock it. After you complete the step, Nubank will receive your case. In many cases, the card is unblocked quickly, sometimes some days. If Nubank decides to permanently cancel the card, you will issue a replacement card and guide you what to do next. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.